Hello and welcome to my new video. Does your bathroom also lose its original look quickly? Here are some tips to help you avoid that. Let's begin with the first one. You have installed a shower channel and want to change the look. Just swap out the tiled grate for a designer grate. Using the example of the Arco shower drain C, I'll show you how you can easily do this. There's still a protective film on the grate. Normally, you can just peel it off easily, but sometimes it leaves annoying adhesive residue behind. Of course, you can remove the adhesive residue with strong chemicals. Depending on what you use, it can damage your silicone joints, tiles, or even the shower drain. To prevent that from happening, there's a well-known home remedy. Just use cooking oil. But be careful, there's a risk of slipping here. Please make sure to remove all traces of the cooking oil. My next tip is for cleaning the shower drain and bathroom. To remove cement residue or stubborn lime deposits from tiles, the drain or fixtures, always apply cleaning agents to a cloth, not directly on the surface. To remove cement residue after grouting, you can usually use a cement residue remover. Alternatively, other acidic products like vinegar or citric acid can also remove cement residue. But make sure to check beforehand what your surfaces can handle. You should be especially careful with colored products. Many of you know about mildew stains, the dark spots on silicone joints. These occur due to high humidity that can't escape. So remember to ventilate your bathroom regularly. This way, you can prevent mold from forming. Silicone joints eventually wear out, may become porous, or crack over time. Therefore, you should regularly check the silicone joints and replace them if necessary. Accordingly, my last tip for you, renewing the silicone joint. First, the old silicone joints need to be removed. You can do this mechanically or with the help of a silicone remover. After removing the silicone joint, clean the surface. Make sure that the surface is free of grease and that there are no silicone residues visible. We can now apply the new silicone joint. Please use brand name products and especially in wet areas, sanitary silicone. There are different methods for applying silicone. My method. First, we cut the tip of the silicone tube at an angle. We cut the opening a bit larger than the joint will ultimately be. We apply the silicone into the joint. And we work starting away from the corner. Once you've applied the silicone, you need to smooth the surface. The quickest way to do this is with a joint smoother. I don't use any dish soap for smoothing, instead I just slightly moisten the joint smoother. Place it on the silicone joint as shown here. Make sure to hold the joint smoother the right way around and smooth out the silicone joint. Need more info on applying a silicone joint? I've made a separate video about this. You can find it by clicking the I up here. And with that, we've reached the end of the video again. If you're interested in the Arco shower drain and maybe want to buy it, check the video description below. If you're interested in installing a shower drain, just watch this video. And if you want to know how to clean a shower drain, then watch this video. If you liked my video or found it helpful in any way, I'd really appreciate a thumbs up. Do you want to watch more of my videos? No problem. Just subscribe to my channel here because subscribing on YouTube is of course free. I'll say goodbye. See you next time. Yours, Mark, on YouTube.